What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Rich Folk Credit, and today I'm about to give y'all a few different hacks that you can use when you're doing your credit repair. Pay attention. All right, so for starters, man, credit repair sometimes is not always black and white, right? You might have your accounts on your credit report that's collections, charge-offs, things like that. Third-party debt collectors like LVNV Funding, Jefferson Capital, Midland. They're trying to collect a debt that you don't owe, right? Because they bought it from the original lender, so you don't owe them anything, right? So you might be trying to get that removed from your credit report, and you can absolutely get that removed from your credit report because those are like on a scale of things that are easier to get removed from your credit report. The collections from like third party debt collectors, those are a little bit easier to get removed from your credit report. But when it comes to um accounts that aren't necessarily collections or charge-offs, sometimes it might get a little bit harder. Okay, sometimes it might get a little bit harder or a little bit more challenging, right? Those things, I'm not going to say they aren't removable from your credit report, because trust me, I've removed a lot of different accounts, collections, charge-offs, student loans, repos, medical bills, whatever the case may be. I've removed those type of things from credit reports. But it gets a little bit more challenging where you have to find the inaccuracies with those accounts. You can't just go and do identity theft for every single account. You have to find the inaccuracies for that account. And I actually have an account that I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Let me just pull it. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. All right. So for example, right, this account has, um, as you guys can see, this is a auto loan, right? This account has a $34,000 balance, right? $34,701, right? Um, but as you guys can see here, the last verified date is completely different, right? For all three bureaus, right? For TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, it's completely different. Okay. Um, as For TransUnion, it's 11/27/2025. For Experian, it's 3/27/2026, and for Equifax, it's 3/31/2026. That's an inaccuracy, guys. That's something that you can challenge, right? Now, to go even more into it, right? The balance owed for TransUnion, this is $15,069. For Experian, it says $12,670. It's the same for Equifax, but still, TransUnion has it being reported at 15K, and then Experian and Equifax has it being reported at 12,000 and some change, right? So, and another inaccuracy. So that's how you guys should be attacking accounts that aren't like easily removable, like student loans, uh, collections from third party debt collectors, inquiries, and stuff like that. You have to challenge the inaccuracies, right? You can't just say identity theft or this is not mine or da 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 da, whatever the case may be. You have to challenge the inaccuracies on the report. Okay, guys. So that's pretty much how you go about that, right? And then if you can't, get it off the first round, that doesn't mean stop, right? That just means you have to try again. And I just had I just got a notification that, well, if you know, the ching ching sound, right? So, I really appreciate